How do I send documentation to support a claim submitted? Hello, welcome back to our channel. You've submitted a claim and you need to send documentation to support that claim. Today I'm going to show you how to submit that documentation. To get started, come with me to the CGS Medicare website. It's www.cgsmedicare.com. Now, click on either JB or JC. I'm going to click on JB. Next, click on Claim Submission on the left side navigation menu. On the Submitting a Claim page or the navigation menu, choose PWK or Paperwork segment. The PWK segment gives lots of information on submitting documentation that you believe may be important to the decision on your claim. One example is the Primary Insurance Explanation of Benefits, or EOB, when Medicare is the secondary payer for the beneficiary. With beneficiary-owned equipment, sometimes you need to add a short note, like the date the durable medical equipment was purchased. For example, with a beneficiary-owned CPAP or a glucose monitor, add the claim narrative, or the NTE, note segment of the electronic claim instead of the PWK segment. Now let's look at what you need to do to send that paperwork in. After you submit your claim, complete the PWK segment on the electronic claim form. At the bottom of this page, you'll find a chart that lists the codes and abbreviations you will need to use in that segment. Once your claim has been accepted at the Common Electronic Data Interchange, complete the PWK Cover Sheet. You'll find the link at the top of the page. Let's click on it now. The first page of this cover sheet provides the instructions on completing the form, and the form appears on the second page. After you've completed all fields on the form, print the form, mail, fax, or send the form via esMD along with all necessary documentation. Once the DME MAC receives the documentation, we will process the claim and will refer to your submitted PWK documentation if necessary. That's it. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. Did this video have a positive impact for you? Please go to our website, www.cgsmedicare.com, and complete a web survey. Remember that CGS offers a wide range of education to meet your needs. Just go to our calendar of events and sign up. We hope to see you soon.